In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar event colors. Customizing your event colors is a simple way to keep your schedule organized and visually clear. For example, you might use one color for work, another for personal appointments, and a third for reminders or deadlines. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once the calendar loads, you should see your events laid out in your chosen view, like day, week, or month. Any of these views will work for changing event colors. Next, find the specific event you want to change the color for and click on it once. This will open a small pop-up window with the event's basic details, such as the title, date, time, and a few quick options. Don't worry if you don't see color options just yet. We'll get to those in the full edit view. To open the full editing screen, click on the little pen icon, usually labeled as the edit or pencil button. This takes you to the main event editing page, where you can see all the settings related to that event, including the color. On this edit page, look for a colored circle in the toolbar area, typically near the event title. This circle represents the current color assigned to that event. Click on that colored circle. When you do, a palette or drop-down of different color options will appear. Now, choose the new color you want for this event by clicking on it. As you hover or click, you might see a small preview of how the event will look with that color. Pick a color that makes sense for the type of event and try to stay consistent across your calendar to make it easier to scan at a glance. After selecting your new color, you're not quite done yet. To make sure your change is applied, scroll if needed and click on the Save button. This step is important. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your new color won't be updated. Once you've clicked the Save, you'll be taken back to your calendar view and you should now see that event displayed in the new color you chose. You can repeat these same steps for any other event you want to customize, helping you build a color-coded calendar that's easy to read and manage.